Praise the Lord, mightiest prophet of the Lord.
Well, the Lord Jehovah has spoken with me. The Lord Jehovah has spoken with me about an earthquake that is coming, and tsunami. And it's coming to the Southern Ocean. It's going to affect South Africa and also Australia. There is an earthquake that is coming to the earth, and it's going to affect South Africa and Australia. And the Lord took me across South Africa, and He showed me the nude magazine, the immorality, the sexual sin that is in the land, including Australia. And then at that place, even in the magazine, even in the supermarkets, He showed me the magazines on display of nudity and women nude and all that, and sexual morality. And then the church refused to take righteousness. The church refused to take the message of His messenger that speaks with you right now. And because of that, the Lord now decided to visit them in His judgment. So I see an earthquake that is coming in the Southern Ocean, and the buildings, it hits the land, and then there's a tsunami. I see the elevators are totally damaged and bangled and banged. So people are afraid to enter the elevators. It's banged, the buildings are banged in a bad way. And also, I see people running, the people that were at the shows. The Lord put me also in the ocean. I was running for my life. We were running. The waves were arriving already. The tsunami waves were arriving. Some people were far away, and the tsunami waves drowned them. So there's an earthquake that is coming to hit the southern part of the earth. It is going to hit South Africa, and will affect, I don't know whether they're the same or there's a second one that hits Australia. So these two nations are going to be affected. They're going to be hit by an earthquake, by earthquakes. They may be separate earthquakes, but I have seen people running for their lives, tremendous time. And the Lord said, because they refused to repent, they refused to accept righteousness, Australia and South Africa. And then the Lord took me all over South Africa and showed me the great sin that's in the land in South Africa. So there is one earthquake that is coming to hit South Africa, and another is coming to hit Australia, but hit it towards the Southern Ocean of the earth. And I see a tsunami, people running, South Africa by the shores running. And I see also Australia. When the Australian episode arrives, the earthquake hits them, and a lot of floods, waves of tsunami from the ocean, and people are drowned. So those two nations are going to be under the judgment of the Lord. The Messiah is coming. The church was very evil. The Lord showed me the church in those two nations are evil. The church in South Africa, they even published something against the servant of the Lord, falsehood, malice against the He that speaks with you. And then the Lord showed me the newspaper, and then the Lord said, for this He will judge them, and then He strikes them very hard. So the Messiah is coming. It's the time to be right with God, to be holy. The Messiah is coming. The Messiah is coming.